Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can make either the object black and white or the background black and white. So right click on your video, copy, right click paste. Actually I'm just going to start from this part right here. So copy, paste. Then on the video on top, go to cutout and select auto cutout. If you want the background to be the black and white kind of effect, select the background, go to filters and add in the black and white filter and put it below that. And as you can see, the background is in black and white. But if you want the subject to be black and white, move the filter on top of that. Select both, right click, create compound clip, and it will be only affected to the subject. And that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!